Hello everyone, my name is Vraj Pithwa. I am from Information and Communication Technology. Currently, I am in 6th semester and I have developed a project named Segment and Change Background in Artificial and Intelligence subjects. So let's begin with the project demonstration. First of all, you need an active internet connection for generating background. Here there are three options. First, you have to upload a segmentation image. And you can upload the background image or you can generate the background image. So let us generate the background image. We have to simply give a prompt in English and press the upload button. So here you have to prompt the person you want to segment. So I will segment all of them. And you have to select the person based on the accuracy. So currently it is segmenting the persons which you have prompted in the input, and it is changing the background based on the prompt we have given here. So first of all it will segment and then generate the background, and then it will merge this segmented image and the background, and we will be getting the final output. Yeah, as you can see, the generated background having golden and purple gradient, and the children's are segmented. Yeah, so that's all. This is my AI project. Thank you very much.